will notify you when you may return to your day's activities. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated.
We got a little bit of a late start this morning. What time did you wake up? 12:30. But we're headed to a water park now. I'm not sure which one we're going to. I think Blizzard Beach, as my camera fogged up. I think Blizzard Beach. I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna be vlogging on the GoPro all day, but we'll see how the day goes. We out here at Blizzard Beach, and I'm gonna switch to my GoPro
bring that in with
right now.
No.
No.
That's just.
We out here at Blizzard Beach. We're about to have a good time. We out here on the ski lift, taking this up.
Not remain on the beach or in unprotected areas. We will notify you when you may return to your day's activities. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated.
We got kicked out. I think there's lightning coming. Alright, we're leaving now. It was alright. I felt like crap though. Ugh. I was like sleeping for 40 minutes. Alright, it's 10:56 of the next day. I started feeling like crap, so I went to bed around like 7:30. Sorry if the vlog was short, but what are you doing? But I think that's where I'm gonna end yesterday's vlog. Today's vlog, back on schedule. See ya.